Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at another REST API lecture using Node.js. In a previous lecture, we have seen the use of GET request from from this student routes or URL, and we are getting here the response from the Express.js. But the browser is not capable for handling other routes or requests like post request, put request, and delete request. These requests we cannot handle by using browser. So for handling these kind of requests, we need an interface. Means if you want to handle the post request, then we need the HTML form. By using information, by feeding information in HTML form, then we send the data to this particular request on post method. Then we have to make put and delete also for sending request from other interfaces. We can send data from Android also, we can send data from iOS also, we can send data from any web application also. But as a Node developer, it is not the concern that we have to make the interface from the client side also. So for that testing purpose, we having a one professional tool is called Postman. So that Postman tool we have to download from a site Get Postman. From this website, if you click, you can download this particular software. By using this Postman software, we can test all kind of methods like get, post, delete, update, any kind of we can. And actually this particular your Postman, this particular software is also used commercially also and open source also. So we can use open source, and there are so many things available in this software. It is also free. You can have a free also. For development purpose, you may have a professional or enterprise. You can pay also. Okay. So for downloading this, you can go here and you can download this. But the best solution to download Postman by using Chrome extension. For example, you type here Postman for Chrome because I'm using Chrome browser. Click here, and from this particular link, it will ask you to install a Postman as a plugin in Chrome. Like this, we have an extension as a plugin, and because I have already installed this, here we having a launch app. But if you have not already installed, it will show you install or add-on. So click on this and it will install on your machine. And because I have already installed, this is on my PC, so no need to install. I will click on this launch button, it will start. But I will show you the method how can you start this also. So you have to write Chrome colon apps. Like this you have to type, and from these things you can click on Postman. Now it will run. So from this particular link you can run it again and again whenever you require. Now as we have seen that our this RESTful API application on get request is displaying get method, and for post it will display post, and for put. So we are going to fetch all these kind of information by using this Postman tool. It will take little bit time because it take authentication from Google also. So it will ask you for login, and you can log in by using Google account, or you can register also. I have already logged in by using a Google account. Okay. Now you see here we having a URL. It's called student. Okay. And when I send it, so it will send you the post request. Okay. And if you change it from here, the get request, it will give you a response of get also. or you can go for post here. You send this, it will send you put request. Then we have a delete also. You can send and it will display delete also. Means our RESTful API, this server is working perfectly. And we have also seen the use of Postman tool. Just you have to type here URL and you have to select a method which you want to execute and then send. Okay, that will be execute and you will get the result. Now this particular routes I have to convert into actual URLs and the actual data. So in the next lectures we will read how to connect all these things with MongoDB database and how we can insert a record in MongoDB and how we can fetch data from that particular database and we can also make, I will show you how to make it a real RESTful API applications. Okay, see you in next lecture.